Welcome everyone to my new channel about Bitcoin, altcoins, crypto, and of course also AI stocks. In this channel we're gonna focus into AI stocks that are very much trending, guys. So welcome everyone on board. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel, and of course also check out all links in the video description, guys, especially if you want to get access to my indicators that I'm using since years. I'm an active trader since years, guys, and right now I'm starting my new YouTube channel. I want to share my indicators with you, and I hope that you also can take advantage of that, especially if you're trading AI stocks. If you want to get access to everything that I'm using, guys, for example TradingView, then use the links in the video description. Also all recommended exchanges that I'm using here in the crypto space, like Bybit, Maxi Global, Prime XBT, and of course also XM Trading. This is one of the best platforms where you can trade instantly all stocks that you want on your mobile phone or also directly on your web browser. So here over 15 million traders already here, and over 15 years this exchange and of course this platform is basically already alive, where I'm trading most of the stocks that we cover in this video and of course also in future videos. So today we're gonna keep it simple, guys. We're gonna start with Palantir, and Palantir is of course one of the most anticipated and traded stocks this year and also last year, of course, because Palantir of course also has to do with AI, and we of course gonna mainly focus here into the charts. And this is currently the weekly time frame. And remember, guys, that I don't give any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you my own opinions and also in what directions that I believe the stock will go next. So for the next coming weeks and months. Every now and then we're also gonna cover some stocks and cryptos also for the short term, but I want to focus, of course, mainly for the long term. And you can see that Palantir here is one of the most basically best performing stock out there. And since 2023, we have been in this big channel, always rising higher and higher. This is the weekly time frame, and you can see that we have clear resistance points here, and of course also great support levels as well. Currently, the stock is trading basically in the middle, exactly in the median line. And watching at the indicators, we are of course coming now to a very crucial important support level, which is the median line of the Keltner channels, a very important indicator here, and of course also the 20 weekly moving average. If we have a look into my own indicators that are giving you buy and sell signals, you can see that we are basically still on the bullish side. So we are still above the 50 level in the RSI. As long as we're trading above here with the RSI, we're on the bullish control zone. Whenever we drop below the 50 level in the RSI, then of course we are on the bearish control zone. So currently the stock is still looking healthy, and I expect higher prices in the not so distant future. Unfortunately, of course, at the moment, the stock is just going sideways and eventually even down. So in my opinion, for the worst case, if somehow we would see here a harsher decline or just sideways consolidation here for the next coming weeks and months, watch out for the support trend line that is currently at around $100, and of course also steady increasing here. So the stock is looking pretty well and solid. I think long term also it has great upside potential, because also the main resistance is currently at around $360, so more than the double from the current price. The only concern that I have is of course that if the stock market is overheating right now and is gonna have a major corrective phase, of course also Palantir could eventually come back down towards this main support. If we go now over into the monthly time frame, so let's switch over into the monthly time frame. You can see that since quite some time we have been here in extreme overbought condition. So we are hitting here major resistance points, and you can also see that currently the price is getting monthly closes below the top side of the Keltner channel. It's a very important moving average, of course. And during the whole bull run, we have seen basically that Palantir was fighting here with the top side of the Keltner channels. And whenever we got a rejection here, you can see that we had a free fall down to the median line until here, until we started to have monthly closes above the top side of the Keltner channels. Then we have seen this parabolic run up until now, because only now you can see that we have monthly closes back below the top side of the calendar channels, and unfortunately that is a bearish sign, because if we are not seeing any more now monthly closes back above $180, it's very likely that here we could see a retest like we have seen also in the past of the median line of the calendar channels, which is currently at around $120, which is also matching with our main support trend line down here. So if we're gonna see a major corrective phase in the stock market during 2026, those are my main support targets for Palantir, and I think that this could be of course a great buy opportunity. No financial advice guys, but I'm definitely gonna buy more Palantir stocks if we're gonna drop down towards $100 during this year. That in my opinion is possible, just because we are really in extreme overbought condition. So a healthy cool off like we have seen over here when we were again in oversold condition would be of course great to buy in, because at the moment of course we're quite overheated. The chart is looking good for the next coming days and weeks, but as I told you guys on the monthly time frame, we are currently in danger to have a retest here of the median line of the calendar channels, currently at around $120 to $100. So I'm gonna remain bullish for Palantir guys, but of course we have to be very cautious whenever a stock already has been run so far, and we never really have seen a major corrective phase. At some point we will come down to test important support levels, and this is why I think it could be happening during 2026. And vice versa, of course, if we see again monthly closes back above $180, then I think we're gonna continue definitely here this run up, and therefore of course then we have to watch out this resistance currently at $350, which is of course from the current price more than the 100% price increase. So if you want to buy or trade Palantir guys, you can do that of course on different crypto exchanges if you hold cryptos. Otherwise, if you just hold fiat and you want to trade on regular exchanges where you can deposit fiat and of course trade all the stocks that you want, then I recommend you XM, which is currently one of the best awarded brokers out there. And with my link you can get 100% deposit bonus up to $1,000. This is a limited time offer, of course, if you want to get access to all stocks and all commodities worldwide from everywhere. You can trade on your mobile phone with their app, and of course also here on the browser. Use my link to get this $1,000 bonus up to $1,000, of course. Links in the video description. That's it for now guys. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to be part of our trading family here, and also if you have any questions, I'm gonna set up a nice Telegram channel as well, and maybe in the future also Discord, X, and so on. But for now, make sure to be subscribed here on this channel. Check out all links in the video description guys. I salute you for now. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.